I'm Lee Klock, and this is the Klock Family Dairy Farm. It came down through the family from my dad. He started in 1950, and we're an organic farm, been certified since 2007. This is a 71 kilowatt system we installed in 2019. Paradise was really the first one knocking on our door, and everything that they wanted to provide it was effortless for us, so it made it easy. I was on board with renewable energy. Tried to get wind turbines here, but that didn't pan out, so solar was a good fit for us. It was a fairly short time frame, I don't remember exactly, but really we didn't have to do much at all other than provide our electric records for the previous year that showed our consumption. And beyond that, we weren't totally really involved in it. They just took the ball and ran with it, and it wasn't any effort on our part at all. I wouldn't have installed the system if I didn't know this were going to be long-term and taken care of for a long time in the future. Everything works as it should. If there were a problem, which I think once there might have been something that stopped working, and they knew about it at their office, and they just came and fixed it, and we weren't even aware of the problem. So I don't keep track of the system at all, and they're doing it remotely, and it's just something that I don't have to be bothered with. We could see the benefit of it, the payback. Paradise did all the paperwork that we needed to get done, our tax credits, and it just made sense to do it. And what I really like about it is it works, and I don't have to do anything to make it work. There's not many things on a farm that are that way, but this just works, and it eliminates $10,000 worth of electric bill every year.